Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Very good, children. Children, do you like animals? Oh yeah, excellent. I love them. So today we are going to do farm animals and how they are very useful to us. But first, we need to know where do the farm animals live. Does anybody know? Very good. They live in the farm. Farm animals, they help the farmers with the works on the farm. And they help provide us a lot of healthy products. And now, let's begin for our topic for today. Are you ready? Very good. Excellent. Number 1 is cow. This is a cow. They live on a farm. Provide us milk, which is used to make dairy products like cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Next, number 2, horse. Horse also live on the farm and help the farmer with their day-to-day works. People also ride horse and they can travel great distance. Next is goats. They can be milked just like cows and can be used to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and even soup. Next is chicken. Chickens are kept either for their meat or to lay eggs. The eggs you eat for breakfast comes from chicken. Next is pig. Again, this is a pig. We get pork, bacon, sausage from pigs. The last is sheep. Sheep lives in the barn. She lives in the farm too. Sheep grow a very thick coat of wool. Each summer, the farmer cuts off the wool from the sheep. The wool used to make sweater, coats, blankets, mitten, and scarf for us. That is all for our discussion for today. But before we finish for this, let's review of what we learned today. Number 1, which products do we get from cows? Milk, scarf, pork chop, eggs. Think about it. Very good. It's a milk. We get milk from the cows. Number 2, which products do we get from sheep? Sweater, eggs, pork sausage. Do you know the answer? I can't hear you. Very good. Great job. It is a sweater. We can get sweater from the sheep. Number 3, which products do we get from pigs? Egg, bacon, cheese, sweater. Excellent! We can get bacon from pigs. The last, number 4. Which products do we get from chicken? Milk, cheese, egg, wool. Great job! It is egg. We can get egg from the chickens. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day to all. Goodbye!